Hello everyone, we have here one of the candidates of Binibining Pilipinas 2024. We have Binibini 1, Marikit Manawis from Baguio City.
Hello everyone! Good afternoon or good day sa lahat ng mga nanonood. And thank you for supporting me and the other Binibinis in our Binibini Pilipinas journey.
Alright Marikit, kamusta naman yung mga activities nyo so far sa Binibining Pilipinas?
You know what? It's really fun to be a Binibini because for me as someone who loves learning, I really learn a lot every day. Iba-iba pang mga natututunan ko. However, being a binibini is not easy. Ayun po, I will not lie, it's not easy. But as someone whose strength is to strive harder in hardships, I always see challenges as something that could make me and not to break me po.
Alright, Marikit, bagay na bagay sa yung name mo. You're sobrang marikit mo talaga.
Salamat
Like,
po.
from Baguio, like, may pressure ba sa'yo knowing that Baguio is doing really good right now, especially in Miss Universe Philippines?
Of course, there will always be pressure po, not only to me, but I'm so sure also the same with the Binibinis. And to answer po your question, in terms of pressure dahil the beauty queens of Baguio are performing very well in the pageantry world, I can say that I am more inspired more than pressure because these beautiful Baguio queens actually have been my representation. And if it weren't because of Genesis, Krishna, Tara, also with Miss Kylie and Roxy Bayens, I wouldn't be here fighting for my causes. And I wish to be a representation also to all the Igorotas in my hometown to aspire and to try to experience the Binibini stage naman.
Alright. And speaking of the Baguio Queens na na-mention mo, meron ba silang mga binigay sa'yo na tips prior competing here sa Binibining Pilipinas?
Opo, marami po, especially that I'm really good friends with Genesis, Tara, Roxy, and Krishna. What they told me is that it will never be easy. However, if you just focus on yourself and if you will not allow the society to dictate what it means to be beautiful, then you will be successful. And this is the same thing that I always remind myself naman po.
Alright. Thank you very much, Marikit. Once
Maraming
again,
salamat
guys, we have
po.
Binibini 1, Marikit Manawis from Baguio City.
Thank you so much.